What do you think, YouTube? Was that cool enough for you? It actually hurt my ears so bad. All right, guys, now we're done at BFE. We are absolutely filthy. Time of our lives, but we got covered in sand. And to be honest, today's the 20th. We haven't showered since the 16th. So we got some soap with us. We're about to hit a waterfall that goes into a lagoon. Hopefully the water levels are good and we can hop in there, shower up. Might even be cliff jumping if it's deep enough. Hey, Cody, move over. You're awesome, man.
You didn't even hit bottom.
No?
That's awesome.
I saw you climbing up there. That's rad. Right there. All right, well, we're all washed off. We did some cliff jumping. This might be the highest we've done so far. We did 30 when we were in Ireland, and this felt bigger. So I don't know what it is, but it was sick. And now it's time to get back out there, dry off, and hit the road again. On the road again. There you go.